just about have this one all fit together.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, while I'm rounding the corner.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
So I have a 2018 Honda CRV. This one got smacked real good in the back. So this is the measuring turtle. I believe they call it a turtle. So it turns out the frame is actually within spec. So I'm gonna grab all the structure and start pulling it out, and then I'll cut off this rear body panel. All right, I just about have this one all fit together. The gaps are looking good. It seals good across the weather strip. So this one I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get ready, and I'm gonna be welding this rear body panel on shortly. Alright, I just about have this one almost ready for primer, a little more finishing up on the fill work, and I will get this one primed up and it will go to paint early tomorrow. That's a wrap for the day. I will talk to you guys later.